I'm Nora Day, and on today's show we're making a smoothie that you eat out of a bowl. Smoothie bowls, have you heard about them? They're much easier to eat out of a bowl than to drink out of a glass. So today we're making chocolate avocado smoothie bowls. Our first ingredient, of course, is chocolate. So I have my raw cacao that I use. I like to use this because it's unsweetened and I can add my own sugar. I am adding 4 dates. These dates have a wonderful natural taste and they add great texture to the smoothie. My other ingredient I use for the base is my almond milk. It's really nice to use a nut milk as your base. And of course, my hidden secret ingredient is avocado. This avocado gives it that silky texture and it binds the whole smoothie bowl together. Let's make it. Let's start with our almond milk. Nice fresh almond milk. Add my cacao, my dates, and my avocado. Let's put this on and make our smoothie. Let's try our chocolate avocado smoothie. Did you know that avocados have 4 times the potassium as a banana? That's what makes our secret ingredient such a gem. I personally like to put toppings on my smoothie bowls. You can put whatever toppings you like. Today I am putting on some coconut shreds. I am putting on a few bananas. And I am putting on a few chocolate chips, just to give an extra chocolate kick. Oh, this tastes like a decadent chocolate dessert, but it's actually a healthy breakfast alternative. Try and make this at home. I'm Nora Day.